Hey, this is Bill and Bill Jr. and we're going to show you how to use a UniPost today.
So UniPost, if you've set your job, we're going to show you how you can use the standard hinges and latches that you can get from any hardware store and how they will make the perfect fit on a UniPost. Let's get started.
So the hinges fit perfectly on the UniPost. So after you install your post in the ground, you install your rails.
Let's take a look. When the UniPost is set, the rail would come in there.
Then your hinges, these holes line up right on these holes on the UniPost. Now they don't have to line up because we're going to be using a number 14 self-tapper to go through everything. So when I put it on there, the screws are going to go through the hole, through the pickets, through the steel, through our 2x4 that's coming through in the back, and it'll make it extremely strong. And then this one you just use a standard wood anchor that the hardware comes with.
What size screws are those, Bill?
Number 14 self-tappers you just get from any hardware store. And I like that they're 2.5 inches long, so they're long enough to go through everything.
All right, so stand that gate up there and let's take a look.
So we got my gate. We got our brakes in the right direction. So right now we're going to be swinging out, so our hardware sits on the outside.
So that point is real important. A gate that's already framed, you got to have the bottom of that brace to the post, because that's going to take all the strength and weight is going to be transferred right to the post. So that's the proper direction to do that. So we're going to put that on there. We've got that picket to show you the picket side. That hinge is going to go on there, and there'll be pickets on the gate frame, of course. And you'll put all 6 of those screws in. 3 will be the wood on this side. 2 will be steel, going through the steel with your self-tappers. And the last one will be a wood screw going into the 2x4 framework. So that's going to get your first one. The bottom will be exactly the same on that bottom rail. So that is going to make a gate that swings for a good long time. None of that sagging in the post structure.
Yeah.
But let's take a look at that latch.
And on the latch side, we usually cut a 1-inch block on the post to cover up that gap right there on the hinge side, and then we do the same thing on the latch side. So for the latch, you have to, same thing, put the flanges on the side you want to install the latch. This is just a standard through latch you get from the hardware store.
Let's see, the rest of the fence would be exiting out this way, Bill?
Yes.
So that 2x4 would be going that way?
Yep, and then this is the gate side.
Spacer goes in there, okay.
I'll show you on the camera. This is all I do. I put that little block in there. I use the same screws. The screws are long enough to go through the latch, through the wood, into the side of the steel, and makes it extremely strong to last you a very, very long time. So you're relying on the steel, not on just that block to hold your latch. And that's
then what does the finger go in here? The finger will just be mounted on the face.
Yep. So
mount your latch first, and then put the finger on later. So
and the finger just goes on the gate whatever height you're looking at. And you just mount that. Usually I put a little block in here to mount the finger, just like that.
Okay, super.
And that's it.
If you want to get in touch with us, find us at myunipost.com.
Yep, for more information.